Hi students, welcome to the online class at Ilma International School at home. Hope you all are doing good. Myself, Asifa Habib, your class teacher. Today we are going to revise the Unit 2 of Mathematics, Subtraction and Multiplication of Large Numbers.
So, what is the first topic that we will be revising today? The first topic that we will be revising today is how to do subtraction of large numbers. The first topic that we will be revising is how to do subtraction of large numbers. Let us now see how we do that with an example. Okay, so now I have two numbers here, 13,987 and 11,435. Now I want to do subtraction. I want to subtract 11,435 from 13,987. Let me see how to do that. The first step for me to do subtraction is I have to draw the place value table. I have to draw the place value table, and the second step is the bigger number I will put at the top. The bigger number. What is the bigger number here? 13,987 is the bigger number. I will put it at the top of the place value table. Now let me put it. 7 will come in the ones place, 8 will come in the tens place, 9 will come in the hundreds place, 3 will come in the thousands place, and 1 will come in the 10,000s place. Okay, great. Now let me put the second number. My second number is 11,435. 5 will come in ones place, 3 will come in tens place, 4 will come in hundreds place, 1 will come in thousands place, and 1 will come in 10,000s place. Now I have put both the numbers in the place value table. Now after doing that, the bigger number is at the top and the smaller number is at the bottom. After that, what will I do? I will start subtracting from the ones place. From the ones place I will start subtracting. In the ones place I have 7 minus 5, so 2. Then I will go to the next highest place value, that is a tens place. Tens place I have 8 minus 3, that is 5. In hundreds place I have 9 minus 4, again this is 5. In thousands place I have 3 minus 1, that is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And in 10,000s place I have 1 minus 1, that is 0. So now my lakhs place is empty, so I will leave it. Now 13,987 minus 11,435 is 2552. It is 2552, that is 2552. The correct answer is 2552. This is how I do the subtraction of large numbers. Alright, now that you have understood how to do the subtraction of large numbers, let us do one question for practice. The question that you have is 2,57,456 minus 1,32,321. You will take exactly 2 minutes time to complete this question. Your time starts now. Please open your notebooks and finish this question in your notebooks in 2 minutes. Alright students, our time is up. I hope all of you have completed this question. Let us now check our answer to this question. Please put down your pens and pencils while we check our answer. So the first step is we draw the place value table and then we write both the numbers in the place value table. The bigger number should come at the top and the smaller number should come at the bottom. So 2,57,456 is our bigger number. So we write that first here. 6 will come in ones place, 5 will come in tens place, we get 4 in the hundreds place, we get 7 in the thousands place, we get 5 in the 10,000s place, and we get 2 in the lakhs place. Similarly, for the second number, 1 will come in the ones place, 2 will come in the tens place, 3 will come in hundreds place, 2 will come in thousands place, 3 will come in 10,000s place, and 1 will come in lakhs place. Now we start subtracting from the ones place. 6 minus 1 is 5, tens place 5 minus 2 is 3, hundreds place 4 minus 3 is 1, thousands place 7 minus 2 is 5, and 10,000s place 5 minus 3 is 2, and lakhs place 2 minus 1 is 1. So the correct answer to 2,57,456 minus 1,32,321 is 1,25,135. The correct answer is 1,25,135. I hope all of you have got this answer correctly. Alright, so the next topic that we are now going to revise is how to do subtraction of large numbers with regrouping. Wherever regrouping is there, how do we do that subtraction? We will now see. Alright. Alright, so now once again we have a question here. We are supposed to do subtraction 23,148 minus 14,367. The first step will again remain the same. The bigger number will come at the top of the place value table and the smaller number will come at the bottom. Let us fill the place value table now. Alright, so now we have filled both the numbers. 23,148 will come at the top, 14,367 will come at the bottom. Now we start subtracting from the ones place again. Ones place we have 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we write 1. Next we go to the tens place. In tens place we have 4 minus 6. But can we do 4 minus 6? Can we remove 6 from 4? We can't do that. So now what do we have to do? We will have to take a borrow. We'll have to take a borrow from the next highest place value. Next highest place value we have 1. So we will take 100. So we will take 100 and how many tens we will get? We will get 10 tens. If we take 100 we will get 10 tens. So now what will be left? 0 hundreds will be left and 14 tens will be there. 0 hundreds will be left and 14 tens will be there. Alright, so now we have 14 tens and 6 tens. 14 tens in the first number and 6 tens in the second number. So now when we do 14 minus 6 we have 8 left. Now let's go to the hundreds place. Now in hundreds place we have only 0 hundreds. We don't have any hundreds left in the first number. So now we have to borrow from the thousands place. We have to borrow from the thousands place. Now if I borrow from the thousands place, there are 3 thousands. Now from that I will take 1,000. So how many will be left? 2 thousands will be left. Now how many thousands will be left? 2 thousands will be left. Now how many hundreds will I get? I will get 10 hundreds. If I take 1,000s, I will get 10 hundreds. So now 10 hundreds are there. So 10 minus 3, what is left? 7 is left. 10 minus 3, 7 is left. Now I'll go to the thousands place. In thousands place, I have 2 thousands in the first number and 4 thousands in the second number. 2 thousands in the first number and 4 thousands in the second number. Now I can't do 2 minus 4. So again I will have to take a borrow. Again I will have to take a borrow. I will take it from the 10,000s place. I have 2 10,000s. In that I will take 1 10,000. So how many will be left? 1 10,000s will be left. 1 10,000s is left. And how many thousands will I get? I will get 10 extra thousands. So how many thousands are there? 12 thousands are there. Now when I do subtraction, I will have 12 minus 4. I will have 8 thousands left. I have 8 thousands left. Now my thousands place is also solved. Let me go to 10,000s place. In 10,000s place, I have 1 in the first number and 1 in the second number. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 23,148 minus 14,367. The answer is 8,781. The correct answer is 8,781. When I do 23,148 minus 14,367, I will get 8,781. This is how I do the subtraction of large numbers with regrouping. Wherever regrouping is there, regrouping means having to take a borrow. Wherever I'm taking a borrow, this is how I do the subtraction of large numbers. Alright, so let us now do one more question for practice. The question that we will now be doing is 43,76,109 minus 1,45,324. We will take exactly 2 minutes to complete this question. 43,76,109 minus 1,45,324 is the question that we will now do for practice. Alright students, our time is up. Let us now check our answer to this question. Alright, please put down your pens and pencils while we check our answer. So this was our question, 43,76,109 minus 1,45,324. The first step was we draw the place value table, the bigger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. Then we subtract the ones place, we get 5. Next we go to the tens place. Here we have 0 minus 2. So we have to take a borrow. 0 minus 2 can't be done. We can't subtract 2 from 0. So we have to take a borrow from the hundreds place. And then we take 100 and we get 10 tens. We get 10 tens. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. Then we go to the hundreds place. In hundreds place now we have 0 left. So we have to take a borrow again from the thousands place. So now we take 1000 and we get 10 hundred. So now we do 10 minus 3, we get 7. Then we go to the thousands place. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then the 10,000s place is 7 minus 4, we write 3. And then in the lakhs place, 3 minus 1, we write 2. And in the 10 lakhs place, we write 4. So 43,76,109 minus 1,45,324 is 42,30,785. 42,30,785 is the answer. I hope all of you got this answer correctly. Alright students, so the next topic that we are now going to revise is how to solve word problems. The next topic that we are going to revise is how to solve word problems. Let us now see how we do that. So to solve word problems, we follow a 5-step method called as NADOS method. We follow a 5-step method called as a NADOS method to solve word problems. First step is we find the numbers and keywords. Second step is we see what is being asked in the question. Third step is we draw to understand the question better. Fourth step is we finalize which operation is to be used. And last step is we solve the word problem. Let us now take an example question and see how we follow these 5 steps. So now we have a question. Prashant had 18,852 rupees invested in the stock market, which grew to 32,089 rupees in 1 year. How much money did he make? So now the first step is numbers. What are the numbers that we have? 18,852 and 32,089 are the numbers that we have. And the second step, what is being asked? We are being asked to find how much money did he make. How much money did he make means how much money did he get extra. How much he put some money, he got some money. How much money did he get extra is what we are supposed to find. Next step, third step is we draw to understand better. So now in 1 year he got this much money, 32,089 rupees is what he got. Where did he start? How much did he put initially starting he put 18,852 rupees. Starting he put 18,852 rupees. Whatever the remaining money is, that is the money made by Prashant, that is the money he got extra. So now I have drawn to understand what the question is saying. Now fourth step is we have to find what is the operation that we have to use. Which operation are we supposed to use? He got total this much, he started with this much, so how much did he make? We have to do subtraction. Money made by Prashant in 1 year minus money he invested will give us how much money he made. So what is the operation we have to use? We have to use subtraction. What do we have to use? We have to use subtraction. Now we solve the word problem. Let us now solve the word problem and see. We already know how to do subtraction. 32,089 minus 18,852. The answer is 13,237. Once we do subtraction, we get 13,237. So the money Prashant made is 13,237. He made 13,237 rupees. That is how we solve word problems. Alright students, now that you have understood how to solve word problems, let us do one question for practice now. Let us do one question for practice. We have a word problem here. I want all of you to open your notebooks and solve this word problem following the 5 steps in exactly 3 minutes time. We will take 3 minutes time to solve this word problem. You will follow the 5 steps of NADOS to solve this word problem. Your time starts now. Alright students, our time is up. I hope all of you have solved this question. Let us now see our question. The question is, a museum in Mumbai had 5,46,789 visitors in January and 6,47,540 visitors in February. How many more visitors came in February than in January? That is our question. Now we are supposed to find the answer to this. We will follow the 5 steps of NADOS to solve this question. We will follow the 5 steps of NADOS. First step is identify the numbers and the keywords. The numbers are 5,46,789 and 6,47,540. Many more is the keyword. How many more? Many more is the keyword here. The second step is what is being asked in the question. What is being asked? To a museum in January some people came, in February some people came. How many more came in February than in January? That is what is being asked. Alright, now let us draw to understand the question. Now these many people came in January, these many people came in February. How many more came? What is this extra is what we are supposed to find. Now let us go to the fourth step. Let us finalize what is the operation that we have to use. The operation is, here the keyword is how many more, what is the extra that we have. So for that, what do we have to do? We will have to do subtraction. What we have to do? Subtraction. We already know how to do subtraction. Let us follow the fifth step. The fifth step is to solve the problem. We have both the numbers. We are supposed to do subtraction. Once we do subtraction, we get 1,751. 1,751 visitors came more in February than in January. 1,751 more visitors came in February than in January. All right. I hope all of you have solved this question correctly. Alright, let us now see the next topic that we will be revising. The next topic that we will be revising is how to do multiplication. We will now revise how to do multiplication. Let us now see how we do that. Alright, let us now take an example question to see how to do multiplication. How to do multiplication. Let us revise that by taking an example question. 213 into 132 is the question that we are trying to solve. 213 into 132. The first step is we are going to draw the place value box. The first step is we are going to draw the place value table. Alright, now that we have drawn the place value table, let us now put both the numbers in the place value table. We have 213 is our first number and 132 is our second number. Now what are we doing? We are doing multiplication. So let me put the multiplication symbol here. Okay, now that is my first step. My second step is going to be, I will take the ones place of the second number and multiply it with the first number. Ones place of my second number, what is it? 2. I will multiply it with the first number, 213. So how do I do that? 2 into 3, what do I get? I will get 6. Next I will do 2 into 1, I will get 2, and then 2 into 2, I will get 4. Now this becomes my product 1. This becomes my product 1. This is my product 1. Next step is I will take the tens place of my second number and multiply it with the first number. Tens place of my second number and multiply it with the first number. But before I do that, I will put a cross in the ones place. I'll put a cross in the ones place and then I'll do the multiplication. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 1 is 3, and then 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is, we get 3 into 2 here as 6. Now that brings my product 2. That is my product 2. Now third step is I will take the hundreds place of the second number and multiply it with my first number. Hundreds place of the second number and multiply it with my first number. Before I do that, I will put a cross in the ones place and I will put a cross in the tens place. Now I'll do the multiplication. 1 into 3, I will get 3. Then 1 into 1, I will get 1. And then 1 into 2, I will get 2. 1 into 2, I'll get 2. This is my product 3. This is my product 3. So now I have completed the multiplication for all the digits in the second number. Multiplication for all the digits in the second number. Now I will do the sum of product 1, product 2 and product 3. I will add product 1, I will add product 1, I will add product 2 and I will add product 3. So now when I add product 1, product 2 and product 3, what do I get? Let me go to the ones place. 6 is there, so I will write 6. Nothing else is there for product 2 and product 3. Next I will add tens place. 2 plus 9 is 11. So I will write 1 and 1 will become a carry for me. 1 will become a carry. Now let me go to the hundreds place. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Again I will write 1, and 1 will become a carry to the thousands place. 1 will become a carry to the thousands place. In thousands place, what do I have? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And in 10,000s place, I have 2. I will write 2. So my answer to 213 into 132 is 28,116. The correct answer is 28,116. I hope all of you have now understood how to do multiplication. Now that you have understood how to do multiplication, let us do one more question for practice. Let us do one more question for practice. The question that we'll be doing, 1213 into 22. 1213 into 22 is the question that we will now do for practice. You will take exactly 2 minutes time to solve this question. You will open your notebooks and you will solve this question in your notebooks. Your 2 minutes start now. Alright students, our time is up. I hope all of you have completed this question. Let us now check our answer to this question. Alright, so now when we do 1213 into 22, the first step is we multiply the ones place of the second number, that is 22's ones place, that is 2, with the first number, that is 2 into 1213, that is 2426, that is our product 1. Now next step, we multiply the tens place of the second number with the first number. Before we do that, we put a cross in the ones place. Again we get 2426. Now third step is we add product 1 and product 2 to get the final answer, that is 26,686. The correct answer is 26,686 is the answer when we do 1213 into 22. 26,686. I hope all of you got this answer correctly.
Okay students, hope you enjoyed the session. See you in the next session. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Thank you.